Okay, guys, today is day 2 of our coding challenge, and today we are going to do digital clock. That is what we are going to be today. Okay, and I am using a SPCK editor. Let's create the script for this, and then that's going to be the digital clock.js. Just and let's say hi. Let's see. Okay, it's still taking us to the previous code because that is a simple calculator. So let's delete the simple calculator from HTML and I add the digital clock. So just right now we are getting high. Okay. Now let's start building. Remember that we are doing everything dynamically. Sorry. That is going to be const like container. It's going to be equals to document dot create element and that is a div, and let's style the div. Just document dot body dot append child, and we are adding the container. Now let's view it and see what we have. So right now we have this black box, but it's very large. So let me put it to 1 RAM, and it's still so large. I need the height to be a little bit tiny, so let's use 0.5. 0.2. Okay, let's just leave it like this. And margin left, let me do a 6 RAM. So it can be it's on the center like this. So right now, let's create a function, and that is going to be function is going to be digital. You can just give it anything you like, but I'm just going to call it digital clock, and we don't need any parameter. So here we start developing the digital clock. So we can just say const date let's say data is going to be equals to new dates. You can call it data or you can call it date, anything you want. I just want to call it data because all our information is coming from there. So we are now going to get the hour, and we can just use const, but because that data type will not update, so let's use let hour equals to data dot get hours. Then this is a get hours method. This is our first method. So the second one, and let me copy this so that I will be very fast because of this video. So this this at AI is trading. So here is going to be units, and this is going to be data dot get minutes, and this is going to be seconds, and that is going to be data dot get that is going to be get seconds. Okay, after this we are going to use a template string, and we are going to get the time. So we are just going to say const time is going to be equals to the hours and sorry, make sure you have equal here, and we have also a minute, and the final one we have seconds. After this, we are going to add this to the container that we created here, top here. So to do this, we are just going to say const display is going to be equals to document dot create element, and that's going to be p. So after we get the element, we will now style it a little bit. Dot style dot margin top going to be equals to minus 0.2 rem, and the display dot style dot color is going to be equals to white. After this, then we are just going to build container dot append child, and the child is going to be display. After this, let's call this function. Copy, come down here after everything, then paste the function. Now let's check and see whether we have it. For some reason we don't have it there. The reason why we don't have it is because we never initialize this. So what we are going to do after we do this, since we have time here, we are just going to say display dot text content is going to be equals to the time. Now let's check. So right now you can see we have 04 29:18. So this is close to 4:30 a.m. right here that I'm doing this video. Okay guys, thank you for watching.